Former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was on Friday confirmed dead after he was shot during a campaign speech in Nara City, western Japan, local media reported citing officials. Officials say Japanese Prime Minister Abe Shinzo has been confirmed dead. He was reportedly shot during a speech on Friday in the city of Nara, near Kyoto. Japanese media outlet NHK tweeted on its official Twitter handle. Abe was Japan's longest-serving prime minister and had stepped down in 2020 citing health reasons. He was Prime Minister of Japan twice, from 2006 and 7, and again from 2012 to 20. He was succeeded by Yoshihide Suga and later by Fumio Kishida. Earlier today, Abe was rushed to hospital after he collapsed at 11:30 a.m. during a campaign speech in the western Japanese city, ahead of Sunday's election for Japan's upper house of parliament. Initial media reports citing authorities said that it appeared that Abe was shot in the chest and described the condition of the former PM as in cardiopulmonary arrest. Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida earlier in his live address to the country today said that his condition of Abe was grave. The Japanese PM also requested everyone to not speculate about any political ramifications at the time. Japanese police have identified the suspect arrested for shooting Abe as Tetsuya Yamagami, a 41-year-old resident of Nara City, according to local media.